Ever wondered how your tyres are made? Let's take a journey through the Banoze tyre manufacturing process. It all begins with selecting premium raw materials, natural and synthetic rubber, carbon black and specialized additives to ensure durability and performance. These materials are blended in a Banbury mixer, creating a uniform rubber compound that's the foundation of every tyre. The compound is then processed into various components: inner liners, body plies, belts, sidewalls and treads, each playing a vital role in tyre structure. These components are assembled layer by layer on a tyre building machine, creating what's known as a green tyre, uncured and ready for moulding. The green tyre is then cured in a mould at high temperatures, bonding the materials and forming the tread patterns and sidewall designs. Each tyre undergoes rigorous quality checks, including visual inspections and uniformity tests, ensuring they meet Banoze's high standards. From raw materials to the road, Banoze tyres are crafted with precision and care, delivering performance you can trust. Banoze, drive with EU technology.